Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Let's start our lesson by talking about weather. Do you remember?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Let's see. Do you know what's this?
Sunny, of
Yes.
course.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Sunny. And what's this?
Windy.
Yes. Windy.
Windy.
And what's this?
Cloudy.
Very good. Cloudy.
Cloudy.
And what's this?
Rainy.
Yes. Rainy.
Rainy.
And what's this?
Snowy.
Yes. Snowy.
Snowy.
Okay, now let's sing a song about the weather. Let's use sunny and cloudy and rainy and windy. Okay? And when we say sunny, we do it like this. Sunny.
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 When we say cloudy, we do it like this. Cloudy. Cloudy. Okay, when we say rainy, we do it like this, like rain. Rainy. Rainy.
Rainy.
And when it's windy, we do it like this. Windy. Windy. Okay, so the song goes like this. How's the weather? How's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it windy? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny today. Now let's sing the song with the piano. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
So how's the weather? How's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it windy? How's the weather? It's sunny today. Here we go.
Okay.
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it windy? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny today. Okay, so that was our song about weather. So bye-bye weather.
Bye-bye, weather.
Okay, now look at the board. Do you remember the numbers?
Yes.
Yes, let's repeat the numbers, okay? Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And today I have 2 more numbers. What's this?
11.
Yes, 11.
11.
11. And what's this?
12.
Very good. 12.
12.
12. And we have 2 more colors. Now, do you remember the colors? Let's say the colors. What color is this?
Red.
Yes, red. Next?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow.
Yellow.
Next, what's this? What color is this?
Blue.
Yes, blue. Now let's say the rest of the colors, okay? Ready, steady, go. Green, orange, brown, white, black, pink, purple. And the new colors, what color is this?
Silver.
Yes, you're right. Silver. 11 is silver.
11 is silver.
11 is silver. And what color is 12?
Gold.
Very good. 12 is gold.
12 is gold.
12 is gold. Okay, so now we have 12 numbers and 12 colors. Now let's play a little bit with the colors. Let's take the first 7 colors, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have these colors, right? Red. What's this? Yellow.
Yellow.
What's this? Blue.
Blue.
What's this? Green. Orange and brown and white.
White.
Okay, now here I have some cards with some stars. Ja-jam.
Wow.
So please match the colors of the stars with the colors of the numbers, okay? So here we go. Jung, 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 jung. For example, this star is red. So I'll put it here. It matches 1. Okay? 1 is red. This star is red.
Yeah.
Okay? Now you go. Oh, very good. So 2 is yellow.
2 is yellow.
This star is yellow.
This star is yellow.
Very good. Next. Can you match 3 with a star?
Yes, of course, it's close.
Yes. So let's say 3 is blue.
3 is blue.
This star is blue.
This star is blue.
Okay, next. Let's match the next number with the next star. Yes, good job. So 4 is green.
4 is green.
This star is green.
This star is green.
Okay, next. What color is this?
Orange.
Okay, so where is the orange star? Very good. Yes. So 5 is orange.
5 is orange.
This star is orange.
This star is orange.
Okay, next. Let's see. Next. What color is this?
Brown.
Very good. Let's match it. Yes. 6 is brown.
6 is brown.
This star is brown.
This star is brown.
And 7 is?
White.
Very good. 7 is white.
7 is white.
This star is white.
This star is white.
Okay, good. So we did a very good matching game.
But look, more colors.
Yes, but these stars match these numbers. Okay? So maybe we can use them next time. Now look who's here. Jajang. Jajang!
Koala.
Yes! This is my friend, Mr. Koala.
That is my friend too.
Okay, let's have an interview with Mr. Koala, okay? Listen carefully. Hello. Hello. What's your name? My name is Koala. Oh, nice. And Mr. Koala, what color do you like? I like blue. I like blue. He said, I like blue. So,
Yeah.
Mr. Koala, what color do you like? I like blue. Aha. Now let me ask you, what color do you like?
I love pink.
Can you show me pink?
Yeah.
So, let's say it again. What color do you like? Put it here, please. What color do you like?
I love pink.
Pink. Okay. What color do you like? Now, I know a song with what color do you like, but first, look. I like red because my t-shirt is red. And I like blue because my cap is blue. And you like pink because...
I love pink because my dress is pink.
Jajang! Yay! Okay, thank you. So, now I know a song about colors. And it goes like this. Listen carefully. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like red. My t-shirt is red. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like blue. My cap is blue. What color do you like? What color do you like?
I love pink. My dress is pink.
Okay, very good. Good job. Let's do a high five. Okay, so today we talked about colors.
Colors.
Okay, so our English lesson for today is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yuli.
And see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What color do you like? What color do you like?
I like red. My t-shirt is red. What color do you like? What color do you like?
I like blue. My cap is blue.
What color do you like? What color do you like?
I like